What's up, Claw fam? We're doing another video. We're here with James. You guys have not met James. He is actually one of my better friends. Doesn't have anything to do with the arcade world. Yeah, so I do have friends, more friends than just Aaron and
his
Mason.
only friend though.
Yeah, the only outside friend. So and of course I'm getting him into the arcade world. So here we go. We're gonna do a video. We're at Castles and Coasters. I haven't scared him off yet with this hobby, so we'll see how deep it'll get until he realizes I'm a total loser and a psychopath. But
it was not that bad.
Just wait, you'll regret those words. Alright guys, we're at a first victim machine. Remember the big ones I had? You were with me when I bought all these, right?
Yeah. We have these.
Oh.
Easy. Oh. Darn. That's good. Yes.
Baby.
Yes. Oh my goodness. I think if you get it one more time, I think you can do it. It's in a good position now. You can get it.
Like right there?
Right there, yeah.
It's tough.
You got it.
Oh,
yes. Perfect.
Got it.
Nice. Nice. One in the bag.
We'll try for this bunny right here.
What are you going for now?
This bunny.
Going for the bunny.
Bunny. Oh no. Gosh dang it.
Oh.
Try for him again. Oh no.
A little more back. You gotta go a little more back than that.
I'm like slowly inching it out.
You got it. Money.
Oh no.
Again.
I don't think that.
Can you even go more back than that?
No, you can't.
Alright, we go for a different one then.
Yeah. So a lot of times it's not. Yeah. Oh.
Perfect. Another one.
Nice. Now see, all these might be really easy.
Alright. Let's see.
The bunny's sort of in the way, but if I go for the dog, it might be. Ooh, I don't know. That's gonna be tough.
That dog right there?
Yeah. I'll try for it. Oh.
Oh, the bunny got in the way. No. The bunny. Oh, yes. It doesn't reach that far, huh?
It doesn't go down that far.
Well, it's not that long.
Alright. It's actually funny about this practice. There's a ball inside a ball. So it's like ballception.
Ballception.
That's gonna be.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was. Oh.
We'll play it again. It's gonna reach.
Will. Come on.
That was kind of bird right here. Bird looks pretty easy. Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Nice.
Oh. Okay, that was a bad throw, I thought.
Is it recording? I don't know.
Yeah, it's
alright, sure.
I'm like, oh my god, really?
Really, James?
I have thousands of wins in my life and you missed out on one. Alright, now we can get this bunny actually. Try for it. Oh, perfect.
Yes, come on.
Oh,
yes.
Look at that.
Easy.
Beautiful. We've almost got the full collection here already.
There you go. What else do we have? The bird? Oh, we got the bird.
The dog, the white dog, and the fluffy dog.
Alright.
This is gonna be super risky, but
you can do
I'm all about risk, baby. Oh.
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
Yes. Please. Ah! Darn. That was so darn close.
I might be able to. Oh, is that too far up though?
Is it?
I don't know. It's hard to say. Let's try it. Oh, that might be good. Oh.
Come on. You can get it now though, huh?
Okay, come on. Oh, that's perfect.
That's easy. Yeah.
Got
yes.
It. Stay in there, little puppy. Oh, yes.
Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Nailed it. All right, another one.
This is it.
You get it this time.
The adrenaline's pumping, baby.
Dun-dun.
It's gonna happen.
Dun-dun.
I can feel it.
You can get it.
It's gonna happen.
Darn.
Oh,
a little more to the left,
yeah.
I think. You did.
Last try, do it for me. Is that good?
I think so.
Oh, I'm nervous. Oh.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Baby. Stay in there.
Yes.
Oh, she's slipping.
Nice.
All right, nice. I think that, guys, we're back. I came for more. I could have left it on a good note, but no, I'm risking it all.
Going for glory.
Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can clean this out, because once I win one of these, it'll be easy, but we'll see. I have to
be careful.
Yeah, if it doesn't go down all the way, I'm kind of screwed as well, so.
Maybe it does that on purpose.
Yeah, it's because that cord is like, sometimes it's not long enough. So, no, that could be okay.
Yeah?
Right there. Let's try that. Oh.
Yeah. Come on.
That might be okay, because standing up now, so I don't know.
Sweet.
Let's try right there. I feel like that would be better. I need to go left more.
Yeah?
I keep thinking it'll turn more than it actually does. Alright, this is it, guys.
Alright, last tire
No
for
more
that one.
jerking around.
Now it's serious time.
Yes, I've had enough. Go to the right, but that's it. Come on, baby. Oh,
yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
There she is. Stay in there. Oh!
No!
Did you see that?
Oh my gosh, I did! No! They did you dirty there, Will.
It did me dirty.
That was not cool.
Dirty paw.
Come on.
Dirty boy, aren't you? Alright, now I don't wanna take any longer than this has to be. It should be a nice clean win. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all.
Easy,
Boom.
easy.
Easy, there we go. Squeeze that. Squeezy.
Come on. Yes.
Like a lemon, baby. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna go for this bunny. This is where we'll what?
I'm recording, go ahead.
Oh. This is where we'll see if it goes down all the way, because this one is on the floor.
That bunny in the middle?
Yeah, that one on its.
Alright.
So
if you can get this one, you can get all of them, you think?
Oh no, see how it doesn't? So that might be tough.
You wanna?
If it doesn't go down all the way,
Yeah, it doesn't really go down.
Yeah, that's tough.
No?
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is super risky. I'm gonna swing it and try to go for that, but if not, it might go for the dog, so here we go. Oh, look
yes,
at that.
Unintentional win.
Yeah.
There we go.
That works.
That worked really good.
Totally works.
Nice.
Can you put those cats in there?
Yeah. Wait, the cat?
Oh, just like that.
Knock it down.
Oh,
ooh, yes.
Oh,
nice.
See
there
what
we go.
I mean? Like,
that was good.
yeah, right? Try that.
Oh, that other cat got in the way.
Yeah.
Maybe go for the other one.
Yeah, it's raining cats and dogs. So I don't want to go too much, but let's try that. I don't want to hit that dog again.
Oh,
right.
Will.
Alright, I'm gonna have to swing it, I think.
For
or
the.
I could just go for that that dog. I might do that. Let's see.
It's a little risky, but ooh, you never know.
That might have it though.
Come on. Think that's good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
No.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes. No.
Dang.
Don't fall. Don't fall. Yes. Yes.
Oh my God, yes. Got him.
Yes.
That was slipping.
That was close.
That was really close. We're gonna swing it today. Oh, that might be perfect. Oh,
Yes. That was clutch.
Nice. Oh, don't fall out.
No.
Okay.
That was good.
Swing technique, baby.
Nice.
I don't really want to because it's kind of risky, you know?
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Oh yes, that's perfect.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
So good. Nice. Alright, now we're gonna try this, but we're gonna swing it this time.
Yes, come on. Oh,
I'm not
got caught on that cat, huh?
Yeah. Nope.
No.
I knew it.
Oh.
I don't know. It's a little risky. I only have 7 seconds. I'll just drop it. Cross my. Oh
no, it's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
Don't do this to me.
No, you are so lucky.
Let's go.
Yes.
Last try.
Yes, last try. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How much was that? How much was it?
$30. Well, yeah, that's like, yeah, $30.
Nice.
Yeah, this is
Good.
about what they cost.
Good job, Will.
Yeah, right? Alright. Now I can sleep soundly in my bed. I'll be a happy Will tonight with all my friends. Finally made some new friends.
There we go. You have friends besides me now.
Yeah, right?
Oh man. How are we gonna carry all of this?
They have to help me.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay.
I'm gonna end the video.
Yeah.